Okay, we're unboxing and taking a look at the Aiper Scuba X1. Now, very excited to be doing this today. We previously did the Aiper Scuba S1 Pro and found it to be a fantastic pool cleaner. So can't wait to open this up and have a look. Now, this is the upgraded model. So got upgraded battery life, cross-pattern smart navigation, horizontal waterline scrubbing, and it's ideal for all types of pool shapes. So we're going to open up now and take a look at it. Now, as you can see, opening up, there's the Aiper symbol, and there's a quick start guide there as well, which goes through exactly how to use it. You can refer to this to set it up easily. We'll be setting up in our full review so you guys can see how it works there as well, which is great. And then we take it out, and we've also got, it's very easy to use, but there's also a full instruction book in there as well if you need it. And there is the instruction book just there. So in there, you've got how to use it, you've got warranty, instructions, the whole bit. Again, nice presentation with Aiper as well. I find these very easy to set up, which you'll find literally just chuck in the pool and you can start using it. So let's go and take it out and pull out the actual pool cleaner. So there's the Aiper Scuba X1 just there. As you can see, we pull it out. Now underneath, you've also got the equipment you can charge it. So down there is the brackets for charging it. Just there, we'll show you how to set that up shortly. Quite straightforward. And also at the side there, you've also got the brackets, the hook, and also the charging cable too. So all in all, nice packaging, quite easy to use. But let's now get out the actual pool cleaner itself, because I know you guys are looking forward to that. So here's a pool cleaner just here. Now the Aiper Scuba X1 is cordless, and it's also robotic, which is fantastic. As you can see, it's got a lovely design there as well. It's quite compact, so you can actually carry it around when you're using it. Now on the top there as well, you've got the treads. So these are treads enabled to actually be able to go up the walls and do the waterline. So it's got Waveline 2.0 technology, which does horizontal waterline scrubbing, removing grease and buildup. It also does walls as well as floors and different paths too. So you can see it's got that on both sides there as well, which is really, really good. Now, if we take a look a bit more at it as well, so you've got the front there, you've got the brushes. Now, it's got 4 brushes, 2 on the front, 2 on the back, and these enable it to basically pick up dirt and debris as you're using it. So, which is really good, and see the other ones on the back there as well. So very good brushing. It's like having a number of different brushes. Now you've also got the sensor at the front there. Now it's got sensors on there. WavePath 3.0 adaptive navigation. It's got 14 high precision sensors. Allows it to navigate your pool with precision, which is absolutely ideal. And there on the back there, as you can see, it's got the equipment. So again, it fits very, very well. Easy to use. It's got the basket on there too, which is great. Now it also has intelligent adjust its route. So basically when you're using it, you can do bowl or diamond shaped designs, and it does it very, very easily. Now we're going to go and take a look now and actually look at the mesh filter. So it's got multi-layer filtration system, and it captures debris as small as 3 micron. Now that's really small. It's got a micro mesh ultra-fine filter, which is the one you can see just there. So that's very, very fine for capturing unseen particles. Now, and also underneath that, it's got the normal mesh filter. So the last one, the Aiper Scuba S1 Pro, had just the secondary layer. This has 2 layers, which is great. So you can see there's the ultra fine mesh. So that captures it, and then it goes into the actual basket as well. So it captures a lot more debris, I'd probably say, than the first one, which is great. And it gives you the ability really to get the most out of it too, because you don't want just, dirt coming through it. You want it to work quite well. And it's easy to empty as well. You just literally pull it out, tap it out, and put it back there, and it starts working straight away. So very easy. As you can see, just clip it in there, open it up, clip it in, press the button, and you're on your way. So very, very straightforward, which I like. And now let's look a bit more at some of the features. So you also have different cleaning modes as well. So it's got 4 cleaning modes that you can use. Now the great thing with different modes is you can do different parts. So you can do, say, mode of floor cleaning, mode wall cleaning. You can do standard, which does them all at once. You can just select waterline if you want, but you've also got periodic, which basically switches it on different times through the week. Now, also, one thing I like about it is the OmniSense sensors technology as well. So with the 14 sensors, you can detect range up to 6 meters. It basically intelligently anticipates obstacles, which ensures smart navigation and maximize coverage as well. And the actual suction itself coming out the back is 25,200 LPH. You can clear pebbles, you can clear algae. So it's very smart. Now to switch it on and off, you hold down the button, then it brings it on. But you can also go and change the different modes there on the buttons, which you went through earlier, which is great. You see the top there as well, you've got the actually air going out. So after it gets sucked through the bottom, it actually comes out the top there. So you get nice clear water coming through as well. It actually has a 5 litre micron level filtration on it too. And with the 5 cleaning modes, efficient waterline scrubbing, it really is an all-in-one pool cleaner. And the great thing is, you know, you pop in the pool, you can set it, and it just works for you. Now remember this as well, you've also got the app that you can use too. So the app helps you actually manage where it is, give it directions, set up how it goes. So it's great. And at the bottom, you've got the 4 motors as well, which gives you the powerful suction. You've got the 4 brushes as well that gives you the maximum scrubbing too. So when you want to charge it, you literally just take it out, unplug it there, plug it back in with that power point, and it gets start working. Let's go and look at the charger now quite quickly and set it up for you. So you can see here is the charging base. Now it's very easy to set up. You literally just take it out of the box, clip it into place. I tend to put this against a wall, would normally be easier so it doesn't move at all when you're using it. But just for this demonstration, I want to show you it on there. So then grab this Aiper Scuba X1 and actually grab it. Now it needs to line up on the sensors. So you basically turn around, pop it on the sensors. Now the great thing about it is because it's quite light as well, it's very easy to do. As you can see, I'm just using one arm there to lift it. Now you go and put it on there, put it across it, and plug it in, and it starts charging straight away. So it's very, very straightforward to do that. As you can see, I'm plugging it in, very easy. Just like that, and it's on its way. So there you go, there's the Aiper X1 pool cleaner, and as you can see, it really is great, and I highly recommend it to anyone.